God's eyes, you're a fire that never goes out, a light on the top of a hill. In God's eyes, you're a poet, a painter, a prophet with a mission of love to fulfill. Outside, there's a world so enchantingly strange, a maze of illusion and lies. But there's never a story that ever could change the glory of you in God's eyes. In God's eyes, you're a radiant vision of beauty, a gemstone cut one of a kind. You're fine as a diamond, deep as a ruby, rare as a jade in God's mind. No need to believe all you may have been told, no need to live in disguise. You're brighter than silver, purer than gold, a pearl beyond price in God's eyes. You're an innocent child in the sight of his face, no cause for blame or fear or disgrace. He sees only goodness, his vision is true, and nothing can change the perfection of you in God's eyes. In God's eyes, you're a fire that never goes out, a light on the top of a hill. You're a rose in the forest, a prelude from Bach, a triumph of heavenly skill. Outside, there's a world that keeps breaking your heart and tearing your dreams down to size. But guiding you homeward, piercing the dark, is the love light that shines in God's eyes. Now and forever, that light never dies. You're dearly beloved in God's eyes.